6 plus 4 in the parenthesis minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. So we have this equation. So let's solve this expression. First we'll solve this. 6 plus 2, what people do? 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Now 10 minus 20 is minus 10 divided by 2 times 5. Now minus 10 divided by 2 is minus 5 times 5, and 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. But minus 25 is not correct. Minus 25 is not correct. It is the wrong answer. Because in these type of questions we have to use PEMDAS. PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So let's solve this question with PEMDAS. The question was 6 plus 4 in the parenthesis minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. So according to PEMDAS we have parenthesis first. So we'll solve this. Okay. So it will become 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Now we don't have any exponent. We have multiplication and division. But remember, if we have both multiplication and division in the same expression, we have to solve them from left to right. And same way, if we have addition and subtraction, we have to solve them from left to right. Because multiplication, division and addition and subtraction are having same priority and we have to solve them from left to right. So what will we do now? We will solve this. So it will become 10 minus 20 divided by 2 is minus 10 times 5. Now we will do multiplication. It will become 10 minus 10 times 5 is 50. So 10 minus 50 is minus 40. So our correct answer is minus 40.